Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you are new to Publisher, then you may be wondering what a keyboard shortcut is. A keyboard shortcut simply allows you to press a combination of keyboard characters to execute a command function instead of clicking a button in the ribbon or the quick access toolbar. While you may never really use them, many users who type significant amounts of text find it tiresome to always have to reach for their mouse. These users may favor the use of keyboard shortcuts instead, as it lets them perform many command functions while keeping their hands on the keyboard. Keyboard shortcuts typically involve holding down either the Control or Alt key on your keyboard, and then entering another keystroke or set of keystrokes. You then release the Control or Alt key. You can see any available Control key keyboard shortcuts in the small pop-up windows that appear when you hold your mouse pointer over any command in the ribbon. Note that not every command has a corresponding Control key keyboard shortcut. In these cases, you can use the Alt key to enable the key badge system in Publisher. You can then use the key badge system to enter a sequence of keystrokes. This replaces the older Alt key keyboard shortcuts found in older versions of Publisher. Let's look at how you can use the key badge system in Publisher. First, press the Alt key on your keyboard to display a set of key badges next to the various objects in the ribbon and quick access toolbar. Then press the key on your keyboard that corresponds to the badge for the command function you want to execute. If you happen upon a drop-down menu as you are entering your key badges, or your key badge work simply opens up a dialog box, don't worry. Any available key badges will be displayed when the menu or dialog box opens. Also, any titles that have an underlined letter in them will act like a key badge when you press the key that matches the underlined letter. If you open a drop-down menu that has an active selection choice, you can move the active selection choice by using the arrow keys on your keyboard, and then pressing the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm your selected choice. After enabling the key badge system, if you then decide to turn the key badges off, you can press the Alt or Escape key on your keyboard or click anywhere in the document with your mouse to do so.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.